Hey everybody, welcome to Kitchen Journeys with Lori. Today we're going to make smashed potatoes. Before I washed and cut a few of the eyes out of my potato, I turned my pressure cooker on to saute, and I added a cup of water and salt just to get it going. And now I'm adding my potatoes in my air fryer pan, and I have, as you can see, I've just taken a few chunks out here and there. And if your potatoes are good, you can just throw them in. You don't even have to take anything out. I'm going to add the pressure cooker lid and cook them for 14 minutes. When I take the lid off, I always take it to the sink and give it a good rinse, and I get any kind of gunk off of it right then and there. It's always much easier to clean that way. I'm going to pull my pan out with the potatoes. I'm going to dump the water out, and I'm going to add back in about half or less than half of the potatoes so I can smash them, and it'll just cover the bottom of the air fryer. So I took a cup and then I smashed the potato like that. After I smashed it, I added salt and pepper, and then I sprayed it with olive oil. I'm going to put it in the air fryer now for probably 10 minutes. I'm going to want it to be brown.